Get them while you can, because the breezes may send some of the pretty pink and white blossoms ground bound, Alex. And it's going to get pretty windy around here this afternoon, isn't it?
Yes, it will. And it's already getting windy across parts of the region. Now, I want to take you at a time lapse. This is the National Institute of Standards and Technology in Gaithersburg. Look at this morning. A lot of clouds across the region. Had the rain. I measured a quarter of an inch of rain at my house in Fairfax from last night and into early this morning. Now clear skies. Take a look at some of these wind gusts so far. WeatherBug headquarters, now granted this is on the top of the building there off Father Hurley Boulevard in Germantown, 46 miles per hour. That's also 9-10 stories up. 42 miles per hour in Mogginsville. That's just around Hagerstown, Washington County Regional Airport. 40 miles per hour in Percival, 40 in Laurel as well. So it's a very gusty afternoon. Now, temperatures so far across the region, mainly in the 60s. You can see near 70 degrees in Fredericksburg. We'll get a little bit of downsloping off the mountains. That will warm things up across the region. That compressional heating, 63 at Reagan National right now, 64 Frederick, same in Leesburg. Some of the area wind speeds could clock up to 45 miles per hour anywhere in this shade of tan here. And this wind advisory continues through around midnight tonight. So we'll continue to be gusty even after sunset and even through tomorrow. I really still think the breezes will be with us. Won't have the same gust across the region. But yeah, a lot of the cherry blossoms are going to be toast across the region by tomorrow. 26 mile per hour wind speed currently in Leesburg, 18 Frederick, 24 right now Winchester. Some of the higher spots right now. See clearing skies through the morning hours. All the clouds really have just moved off the region. We've now are behind that cold frontal boundary, getting some of that clearing behind it. And here is the boundary itself. It had the gusty winds behind it. All the showers now moving out over the northeast into the Atlantic. So we'll be clearing out. Be very nice through the afternoon as far as the temperatures are concerned. Highs in the upper 60s, but we'll have the gusty winds. Overnight, things will clear out and cool down. Could be in the upper 30s in a few spots. Otherwise, though, 40 to 45, mainly clear. Still have the breezy winds, northwesterly, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow looks really nice across the region. Highs still in the lower 60s. Plenty of sunshine, but we'll still have the breezy winds to deal with. 61 on Wednesday, and then we'll really have the chance for more showers and even a couple rumbles of thunder with a strong cold frontal boundary that moves through Thursday and Friday. Both days not looking great, but it looks like it'll be Thursday afternoon and evening, Dave. Highs right around the 70-degree mark, still around 70 on Friday. As that frontal boundary shifts through, cooler air will settle back into the region, but it will clear things out by the weekend, back near 60 degrees. Dave?
Alex, thanks. There's some breaking news to tell you about from Metro this afternoon. And train services had to be suspended between the Grosvenor and Friendship Heights stations. That after there was a track problem reported outside the medical center. Now they've asked for shuttle buses to try and get folks to in between those closed stations. Apparently the problem is at the medical center metro station. That's the 8800 block of Wisconsin Avenue. Firefighters there investigating the reports of an arcing insulator in the tunnel, and these have been problems for Metro for quite some time. It's believed that that's one of the things that started the fire in the on the yellow line, in which a person died about 14 months ago. Again, this is at the Metro Center, a medical center metro station. Possibility of an arcing insulator no matter what they find. They have had to close off the red line between Grosvenor and Friendship Heights, and shuttle buses have been requested, but it's going to be a while before you can get between those